Trees. At present situation, we are all could understand the importance of oxygen. Actually, trees has been providing us oxygen from long years back onwards. But do we really understand the importance of the trees? That question always remain. This story starts from Pillalamari village, which is 86 kilometers far from Hyderabad, India. Hi friends, this is Prabhakar. Welcome back to my channel Being Outside. And today we are discussing about the Pillalamari village, which is located in India, Hyderabad, and 4 kilometers far from Mehboob Nagar. We have to take tickets to enter into Pillalamari. So 10 rupees for children and 20 rupees for adults. Here we can see 800 years old banyan tree. We have to see banyan tree from this bridge. The security people are not allowing us near to the banyan tree. Reason is few of people become more creative people when they see a beautiful walls and beautiful trees. So they start writing their names on this tree, and also it is suffering with tree related diseases, so it is getting treatment. So because of all these reasons, we have to see the banyan tree from this bridge. The tree which is behind me is Pillalamari banyan tree. Let me explain about this banyan tree. It is 800 years old tree, and also it is spreaded almost 4 acres of land. You may think like how one tree spread in 4 acres. The reason is the roots are traveling from one place to another place, and in a new place it just grown up as a new tree. If you see from the upper level, you can find a different trees, but if you see in underground, all roots are belongs to one tree. If you see here, this is one of the banyan tree, and all the trees are belongs to the same banyan tree, and this is and all these things are belongs to same one. And this is one of the branch comes from the same banyan tree, and I don't know from where it is started. Trees has been in existence for 370 million years. We did one survey in 2015. As per the survey, we have 3.04 trillion trees in our earth. Likewise, we have 422 trees for every person on earth. Russia, Canada, Brazil, USA and China. These are the top 5 countries have more trees in their country. Based on a study by the Center for Global Development, the world is set to lose more than 1 million square miles to deforestation by 2050. Because of this reason, countries on earth came together and took a decision to grow up the trees on earth. Haritaharam is one of the example. If the decision is successful, by 2050, we can grown up by 60 billion trees in US. Coming to the oldest trees, we have Tizuko tree in Sweden country. Its age is almost 9,550 years. In Telugu states, we have Timmamma Marrimanu, which is located in Anantapur district of Andhra Pradesh. It has 550 years of age. And then this Pillalamarri tree is located in Telangana and Mahabubnagar district, and as I said, its age is 800 years. After that old banyan tree, here in Pillalamarri village, we have a mini zoo. As I inquired, there is no much animals, but very few animals like deer and snakes we have. And I know it is very hard to see. It is a crocodile, and we have one big snake. Here we have a mini fish aquarium. Let me check. Here we can see a very few deers. Finally, I can suggest you Pillalamarri is one of the entertained place. We can enjoy a lot by watching this banyan and zoo.